Hi there, welcome back to this video. Today I will show you the demo of S-Vector AI Coder. This is currently supports full stack and UI making with AI in real time. So this is S-Vector AI. This is an AI code writer which writes the code accordingly and also maintains the code, also remembers the code and create the full stack applications. Let me show you the demo. This is the whole application, which how it looks like. Here you have the new UI option. Here you have the settings option, in which there are multiple models which you can use, like Gemma 2 of the 9 billion parameters, Llama 3.1. Also you can use the Llama 3 of the 70 billion. Let's say I want to use the 3.1 of the 70 billion. So just click on it. As it supports the vision, so it will turn on this automatically. You can adjust its temperature as per yourself. Also you can select your UI mode from light to dark, anything whatever you want. And also you can select your language. Also you can add your system prompt, that how it should behave. And now update. Now by just putting the prompt here or by just uploading the image, you can directly conduct your project to on the site. Also you can access this project other libraries from our GitHub account of S-Vector. From here, clicking on it, you can see your recent projects that you have built from it. Now let's say I want to create a set of social share buttons with icons for the Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and many more. Now after putting this prompt, just hit the enter button and it will create very nicely. And these are interactable buttons. And also, as it has generated this code, you can directly access this code from here, that what code it has generated and how. You can also directly edit this code from yourself, like let me change the color of this background color, and hey, the color has been changed. Also let's change all the colors to this one, from this to this and from this to this. It will change it in the real time, as you can see. So all four colors of the background are now same, and you can also access the React code from here, which is in the JSX format. Directly copy and paste anywhere whatever you want, or just simply download this code base. Simply downloading this, you can directly access this whole JavaScript code which has generated by this. It has its own render engine which you can see. Also you can see how your website or app is looking on the desktop and also on the tablet. Also you can add more creativeness and more things from here. You can directly share the feedback with us. Also you can change your light or dark mode. You can also directly interact with changing the files. Let's say from JSX I want to convert it into the Svelte. Just simply tapping on it, it will convert and create the complete Svelte file, which is the same, but the code base will be automatically changed without any kind of difference in the images. Now let's say I want to create a new app or a new project. Now let's go to new UI and just simply prompt it. Create a full stack calculator app, which is write the full code which also do the mathematical operations. Let's simply prompt this in. By simply tapping on enter, you can directly see this is created. Okay, so now finally this has created the complete full stack calculator app. Right now the models and the apps are in the training purposes and in the beta mode, so it may create some errors. As you can see, it has created in version 4.1. It takes the 4 to 5 attempts to create a perfectly app. But we will soon release our own models to integrate with it and create the full stack app very easy. Now let's try this app. Let's say you want to input the values like 7 plus 9 and it will give you the perfect answer. The app is running very fine. Now let's say you are putting like 2 into 2. It will give you the answer like 52 plus 963. It will give you the 1005. It is giving us the very nice answer, as you can see, and you can directly download this iOS calculator named as project and you can directly check as this project works. Now let's check this project on our device, like putting the values in and getting the answers. Like on the division part also, it gives us the perfect decimal answers. So by this way, you can create the complete full stack application or even UI with this. Now let me show you the demo of making the UI with this app. Now let's go to create a new UI and just put in the prompt like. Now let's create this UI. Design a newsletter sign up section with an input field and a subscribe button featuring a minimalist aesthetic. And now let's just put in generate. Now as you can see, it has created the complete UI. Also, now how you can connect your backend. Let me show you in this demo. Now also you can add or you can directly edit each of the HTML elements by themselves. Now let's say I want to improve this tagline from stay updated to something else. Like just by submitting, it will directly update that specific tagline. It has completed the whole new tagline and we can see also from our history. As you can see, it has created and it has improved the tagline from stay updated with our latest news and updates. Also you can directly add your own database with it. How? Let me show you. Just type in here in this code. Also add the Firebase. I am currently using Firebase, so I will enter the Firebase. So connect with it and let's just enter it. It will not shown on this page, but the main thing is it will show on this code section. Now let me show you where. Here it is. Here you can see it has sent all the details about the Firebase. Now you have to just put in your own details of it. Now let's put in some more features and more UI stuff. Now let's go to new UI and also enter something like. Now just putting this prompt in it, it will create a complete card UI. As you can see, this has created the UI from this, and you can also see the code and directly copy and paste it in your code base. Also, as I have told you, you can also edit the components by here only. Now let's put in something different. Now let's say you want to create a portfolio website for yourself. And And now as you can see, it has created the complete portfolio website for the user. Now make it in the dark mode. Now as you can see, it has created the complete website in the dark mode, in the black UI. You can see the images has been inserted, also his projects has been inserted, also his get in touch has also been inserted, which is a contact section for him. And for the projects, when he click on it, it hyperlinks it to the my project section. And for the contact, it goes to contact section. This is created and you can simply download it on your device and just run it like this. This is the website which it has created. So this is the complete demo of the S-Vector AI coder. Thank you.